Exploration of internal environment. A comprehensive overview of homeostasis, kidney structure, function, and kidney diseases. Course outline. Homeostasis. Understanding the body's internal balance mechanisms and structures. Kidney structure. Examining the anatomical features of the mammalian kidney. Kidney functions. Exploring the excretory and osmoregulatory roles of the kidneys. Kidney diseases. Identifying common renal conditions, their effects, and treatment options. What is homeostasis? Homeostasis is the crucial process that allows living organisms to maintain a stable, healthy internal environment. This internal balance is essential for cells to function at their best and support growth. The body fluids that make up this internal environment include 1. Blood. 2. Lymph. 3. Tissue fluid. To stay healthy, organisms must constantly adapt to changes in the physical and chemical properties of these vital fluids. Homeostasis is the remarkable self-regulating system that keeps everything in check, ensuring stability and enabling efficient cellular function. Temperature regulation. Maintaining a stable body temperature essential for enzymatic activity. pH balance. Keeping pH levels within a narrow range vital for cellular processes. Osmotic pressure. Controlling water and salt balance to prevent cell damage. Substance concentration. Regulating the levels of dissolved nutrients and waste products. Mineral ion levels. Managing the concentration of essential mineral ions like sodium and potassium. Mechanism of homeostasis. Detect change. Sensory detectors recognize a deviation from normal conditions in the internal environment. Process signal. Information is transmitted to control centers, often the brain, that interpret the change. Send response. Control centers send signals to appropriate effector organs or glands. Restore balance. Effectors react to restore normal state through negative feedback. Structures for homeostasis. Unicellular organisms. In single-celled organisms, osmoregulation is maintained through specialized structures. For instance, some unicellular organisms utilize contractile vacuoles, which actively collect and expel excess water, preventing the cell from bursting. Multicellular organisms. Complex organisms employ various specialized organs to maintain internal balance. These organs work in concert to ensure stable conditions. 1. Kidney. Crucial for maintaining fluid and electrolyte balance in the body. 2. Skin. Plays a key role in temperature regulation through sweating and blood flow control. 3. Brain. Serves as the overall control center, integrating sensory information and coordinating responses. 4. Liver. Performs vital metabolic regulation, including detoxification and nutrient processing. 5. Endocrine glands. Produce and secrete hormones that act as chemical messengers for various bodily functions. Structure of the mammalian kidney. The kidneys are bean-shaped, reddish-brown organs located in the posterior abdomen. The right kidney typically sits slightly lower than the left. Internally, the kidney has two distinct regions, an outer cortex and an inner medulla. Both regions contain numerous urinary tubules, also known as nephrons. The urinary tubules open at the tips of triangular pyramids, which drain into the funnel-shaped renal pelvis. This pelvis then connects to the ureter, leading urine to the bladder. The nephron, functional unit of the kidney. Each kidney contains over 1 million nephrons, which are the microscopic functional units responsible for various stages of blood filtration and urine formation. 1. Blood filtration. Blood filtration begins in the Bowman's capsule, where waste products are separated from useful substances. 2. Urine concentration. The loop of Henle plays a crucial role in concentrating urine by regulating water and salt absorption. 3. Final water reabsorption. The collecting duct performs final water reabsorption, determining the urine's concentration before excretion. 4. Substance reabsorption. In the proximal tubule, essential substances like glucose and amino acids are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. 5. Water and electrolyte balance. The distal tubule fine-tunes the balance of water and electrolytes, responding to hormonal signals. Nephrons are supplied with blood by tiny capillaries, branching from the renal artery and draining into the renal vein. Functions of the kidney. Waste removal eliminates toxic and harmful substances from the bloodstream. Heat production generates heat during cold conditions to maintain body temperature. Nitrogen excretion removes nitrogenous wastes like urea from the body. Water regulation controls water levels in the body through reabsorption. pH balance helps maintain the acid-base balance of the blood. Ion balance maintains proper salt and electrolyte levels in the body. Kidney as an osmoregulator, water balance. Dehydration detected. When the body has little water, blood osmotic pressure increases. Hormone response. Osmoreceptors in the hypothalamus stimulate the pituitary gland to release more ADH. Kidney adaptation. ADH makes urinary tubule walls more permeable, increasing water reabsorption. Conservation result. Less water is lost as concentrated urine, preserving body water. Kidney as an osmoregulator. Hydration response. Excess water detected. When the body has too much water, from high intake or reduced sweating, blood osmotic pressure decreases. Kidney response. Reduced ADH makes kidney tubule walls less permeable to water. Hormone reduction. Osmoreceptors signal the pituitary gland to reduce ADH secretion. Elimination result. More water is excreted from the body as dilute urine, removing excess fluid. Control of blood sodium and pH levels. Sodium ion regulation. The kidney maintains blood sodium concentration. When blood sodium is higher than normal, excess sodium is excreted in urine. If it's lower than normal, more sodium ions are reabsorbed into the blood. This process is regulated by the hormone aldosterone. pH balance. The kidney helps maintain the normal blood pH of 7.4. When blood becomes acidic, hydrogen ions are excreted in urine. When blood becomes alkaline, hydrogen carbonate ions are excreted, ensuring proper balance. Kidney, renal diseases. Nephritis is an inflammation of the blood vessels, glomeruli, within Bowman's capsule, often caused by Streptococci bacteria. This condition makes the blood vessels porous, leading to the leakage of useful substances into the glomerular filtrate. If untreated, the accumulation of dead cells can block the kidney, potentially leading to kidney failure. Diuresis describes a condition characterized by the production of large quantities of dilute urine. This occurs when kidney tubule cells fail to adequately reabsorb water from the glomerular filtrate. It is commonly observed in patients with diabetes insipidus, affecting the body's ability to concentrate urine. More kidney diseases. Kidney stones. Stony masses of minerals and organic matter form in the urinary tubules. Low water intake and high salt intake can predispose individuals by causing mineral salts to crystallize, which disrupts urine flow. Dropsy, edema. This condition occurs when Bowman's capsule cells fail to absorb enough water from the blood in the urinary tubules. This leads to water retention in the blood or tissues, causing swelling in various body parts. Effects of kidney diseases. 1. Proteinuria and hematuria. Presence of proteins and blood cells in urine, indicative of nephritis. 2. Edema. Dropsy. Swollen face and ankles, resulting in constant weakness and sluggishness. 3. Diuresis. Excessive urination with resulting weight loss. 4. Abdominal pain, kidney stones. Severe abdominal pain due to obstruction of urine passage. 5. Hypertension and hematuria. High blood pressure and bloody urine, often seen with kidney stones. 6. Systemic pains and fever. General body pains and fever, common with any renal disease. 7. Dizziness and fatigue. Dizziness and fatigue, frequently observed in various kidney conditions. Remedies for kidney diseases. Medication. Use of antibiotics for nephritis and diuretics for edema to treat underlying causes and symptoms. Kidney transplant. Surgical replacement of damaged kidney with a healthy donor kidney for conditions like diuresis and nephritis. Dialysis. Use of dialysis machine, artificial kidney, to filter waste from patients' blood when kidneys cannot function properly. More remedies for kidney diseases. Fluid management. For edema, water intake is reduced. For kidney stones, increased water consumption helps prevent mineral crystallization. Dietary changes. Avoiding excessive intake of calcium-containing foods can prevent kidney stones. A balanced diet low in sodium is crucial for various kidney conditions. Surgical intervention. Nephrectomy, the surgical removal of stones or damaged kidney tissue, is an option for severe cases of kidney stones or localized damage. Dialysis, an artificial kidney. Dialysis is a life-saving procedure that artificially performs the kidney's filtering function when the kidneys fail, removing waste and excess fluids from the blood. The process works through a semi-permeable membrane and a carefully controlled dialysate solution, which draws waste products out of the blood while retaining larger molecules. In hemodialysis, blood is pumped through an external machine that filters impurities before returning the purified blood to the patient's body. Peritoneal dialysis uses the lining of the abdomen as a natural filter, with a dialysate solution introduced into the abdominal cavity. Both types typically require regular sessions, often 3 to 4 times weekly for several hours each. Why do people urinate more on cold days? Cold temperature. In cold weather, blood vessels near the skin constrict to conserve heat, reducing blood flow to extremities. Blood redistribution. This constriction pushes more blood toward the core organs, including the kidneys. Increased filtration. The higher blood volume in the kidneys leads to an increased filtration rate and greater urine production. Reduced sweating. Less water loss through sweat means more water is available for excretion through urine. This process is called cold diuresis and is a normal physiological response to cold temperatures. Key concepts review. Homeostasis. Maintaining internal balance. Kidney structure. Specialized organ with cortex, medulla, and nephrons. Kidney functions. Excretion of waste and regulation of water, salt, and pH. Kidney diseases. Conditions like nephritis, diuresis, kidney stones, and edema. Treatment options. Medications, dialysis, transplantation, and lifestyle modifications.